given to another person, that is where you will hang yourself. Why? Just build a 2-roomed house. But you have the ability to build a 1-roomed house for yourself. You see that somebody's house 6 rooms, then you start crying. That is what God has given you the ability to build. God has given somebody the ability to have a healthy life. Even if it is raining, the way it is raining, it doesn't feel cold. You try it. You will start shaking and will carry you away. God has given you the ability to be healthy. The issue of malaria, he doesn't care about it. But God has given you the power or the ability to be healthy in the measure of God. Why am I not bulky like so and so? Why am I not healthy like so and so? That person, God has given him the ability to be healthy according to the measure of God. Be healthy according to the measure you are given. Somebody is sick and goes to Aga Khan for treatment. Then you are sick, but you go to the dispensary. Somebody has the ability to go for treatment at the dispensary. And then he says, he had some people who went for treatment at the Aga Khan. But the ability of going to Russia, you don't have that. The sickness will be multiplied. This anger will add you more sickness. If it is checked upon, it is jealousy. It is desires. It is strife. Why is it that? Why don't you take care of your life according to the ability which God has given you? To allow sew your clothes according to the ability God has given you. Somebody has such and such a cloth, I must have the same. Eat according to the ability God has given you. Have your means of transport according to the ability which God has given you. If you don't have the ability to buy a motorcycle, if you don't have the ability to buy a cycle or buy a vehicle, God has given you the ability to pay for fare. Buy that fare and buy your seat and go to a journey. If God wants you to have a car, God doesn't know where you are. God knows you by name. You will see a moment that the car will come, and you will sit in that car. If He didn't plan it for you, that day you buy the vehicle, that is the day it gets an accident and it is written now. Why are people striving? Last. It makes people want to do things they don't have ability of doing. I am finishing. That's what you do. Take care of your life according to the ability which God has given you. Don't desire to take care of it according to the powers which God has given another person to take care of his life. Somebody has wide TV, but you only have a radio. That is what God has given you the ability to buy. It is that radio. If God wants you to have a TV, He will give you the power of getting that TV. Not the one you saw in the table display, but one which is in the measure which God has given you. It may be even greater than the one you saw. I am giving you wisdom of living in peace. At the moment we are speaking, people are stressed up and they want to commit suicide. Some people want to commit suicide because life is high. Why is the living standard high? Because somebody wants to live like another person. Somebody has done this, and that. I must also do this. Not knowing that God has given that person the ability to do those things and you don't have that ability. He has given you the ability to do whatever you are doing. Why don't you be contented with that? This is what God has given human beings power to do what they are supposed to do. So refuse to go above the boundary. Resist the kingdom of darkness which wants you to go past the boundaries. So that you may desire to do things that God did not give you the power to do. Nyasaye omiyo wa teko. God has given us the ability mar konyo joma nonyuolwa diergi, to help the people amongst whom we were born. Nyasaye, God has given us the ability help the people amongst whom we were born, depending on the power we have. God has given us the power of helping our kings, but only according to the ability we have. If you are helping your mother, even the people of your mother, if you are helping your father, and the relatives of your father, you don't help them as other people help their father. You help your mother with the ability you have. If you are helping your father with your ability. Even if you are 10 siblings, all these 10 siblings, every individual God has given power to help your parents. Even if you are 10 siblings, but every one of you, God has given the ability of helping your parents, depending on their ability. What has God given the ability? What ability has God given to the guy to help their parents? They are married and then the dowry is paid. That is the only power you have. If God has given you additional other things, that is what God has added you, so you help them with the power you have. Even that dowry, it cannot be found. But if it is not there, you can help your mom with the headscarf. You can only help your father with the shawl. That is what God has given you the ability to do for them. I am taking you out of committing suicide. You will go and look at the state of your house. When it is raining like this, you will see the mess in your mother's house. Those people will meet you and tell you how your mother is going hungry. And they will tell you how the state of your parents. But truly, if you look at your neighbors, there are big mansions, but your house is forbidden. You can cry. You can cry as if somebody is dead, desiring a mansion of the neighbor. I am relieving you. If you are given the ability to go and build that home, go and build it. If you are not given, don't hang yourself. Don't commit suicide. Don't be troubled.